In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim your Spotify artist profile with Distrokid. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from releasing your music to managing your artist page inside Spotify for artists, with no confusion along the way. First, you need at least one release sent to Spotify through Distrokid. If you're uploading now, make sure Spotify is selected as a platform when you set up your single or album, then submit your release. After that, wait for Distrokid to deliver it to Spotify. Delivery isn't instant, so give it some time to process. While you wait, double-check your release details in Distrokid. Your artist name should match exactly how you want it on Spotify, and your artwork and metadata should be correct. This helps prevent your music from landing on the wrong artist page or creating duplicates. Once your release has been delivered, head into your Distrokid account. Open the menu, go to Goodies, choose Special Access, and select Spotify for Artists. This takes you to the Distrokid Spotify Access page that starts the claiming process. It's the official route, so you won't need to hunt around for forms or external links. On the Access page, you'll be prompted to select your artist name from the releases associated with your Distrokid account. Then you'll log into your Spotify account and verify your identity. The verification step is straightforward. Distrokid passes along your release data to help Spotify confirm you're the right person. If you see multiple artist names that look similar, take a moment to pick the exact one tied to your release to avoid mix-ups. After you submit, approval is typically instant, but it can take a few days depending on timing and Spotify's review. Once you're approved, you'll land in your Spotify for Artists dashboard. Here, you can customize your artist profile by updating your bio, adding or changing your profile photo and banner, and keeping your visuals current with your brand. You'll also get access to listener and stream analytics, which are incredibly useful for understanding what songs are connecting and where your audience is growing. From this dashboard, you can pitch upcoming releases for Spotify editorial playlists, manage your artist pick, and keep your profile looking sharp. A couple of important notes as you wrap up. Your release usually needs to be live on Spotify before the claim goes through successfully. In many cases, Spotify will create a new artist page automatically once your first track is delivered. And while approval often happens right away, it can take a little longer, so don't worry if you don't see access immediately.